Hey guys, welcome to Lara Tips. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert almost any class into a PHP artisan command. Let's say there is a class in your project and you want to run that class inside your application, as well as you want to run that class as a artisan command. Just to use that same functionality, you don't want to create a new command using the PHP artisan make command. Then I'll show you how you can do that. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let me create a file. So inside, I'll create a new file relative to the project root. So here I'm creating create random user action. So this can be any class in your project. And guys, you can see it is created over here. And let's say it has a handle method. And here I'll create a new user. And guys, here I'm using factory to create a new user. And if you look here, user factory is like this, and by default whenever you install a new Laravel application, it will come with a user factory. And let's say this class has a lot of functionalities and you want to run this using an artisan command, but currently there is no any artisan command registered to run this code. But let me show you one thing. First of all, I'll create a command using PHP artisan command, and then I'll show you how we can convert this as well. So here we'll say PHP artisan make command testing command, and here it is inside here guys. And now you can see here guys, it is extending this command which is illuminate console command, and we'll do the same thing here. You can see here guys, it is imported over here. And if we are extending this command, then we have to make sure there is this protected signature property and there is a handle method over here. Okay, so we have already the handle method. So now we just have to write this signature, and let's say here create random user, and this will be the command. Now let me remove this testing command from here. And guys, if you come here in the terminal and I'll say PHP artisan and I'll use grep. So this grep or grep, whatever you call it, so this grep will filter all the artisan commands by using the argument this. So let's say I want to filter and show only the artisan commands that have make in them. Then you can see here guys, it is only showing me those commands that have make. Okay, so here I'll say here create random, but here guys it is not showing me that command. Now let me show you how to do this. And guys, what we want here is we want to show all the classes that are extending this command to be visible as a command over here with the name that we have provided in the signature. Okay, for that we have to go to this app console kernel like this. And here guys, if you go here at the bottom here in the commands, we'll just duplicate this and we'll register this action folder over here. So here guys, this current directory is this kernel directory, and if you go one step back, then it will take us to this console. Okay, so we'll go here one step back and it will take us to the label of this console, and here we'll write actions like this. Now everything that is inside this actions folder and all the classes that are extending this command will show up as a artisan command. So now guys, if I run the same command like this, now you can see here guys, I can see that command over here. And also guys, if we want a description to show here like this, then we can just say here, let me just duplicate it, and I'll say here description, and I'll say here creates a random user. Now again, if I do it, now you can see here guys, I can see this description as well. And if I show you here, this user is present in my database. Okay, now if I just run this command user like this, and if I come here and reload, now you can see here guys, new user is created with the ID of 26. And let me show you the latest 2 as well, because I have created many more users previously, so the ID just jumped to 26. Okay, I'll just show you here like this, and you can see here guys, the previous one was 11 and the current one is 26. And guys, again if I run this command, then it will create a new user, and now it will have the ID of 27, and this is the new user. And guys, in this way you can register any class as a PHP artisan command, and you have to make sure that you have a signature and a handle method and the class is extending this command class, otherwise it will not work. And the main thing is to register it in this kernel class, which is inside app console directory. And let's say you have another class in any other directories, you can just register it over here. Or you can make an array like this directories, and you can just pass the path like this over here, and you can just say for each, and you can just do it like this, and this will also work. Now whenever you want to register a new path, then just write it in the array and everything will work perfectly. Now let me again show you that by running this command. Now you can see here guys that command is present over here. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.